I'm going to make some mini stud clay earrings today, and I'm going to start with a piece of new white clay and then rolling it out to about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch thick. And then I have some leftover scraps, and so I'm just breaking these into pieces. For the blue, I actually rolled them into little circles before placing them on the white. Then I'm just going to take some tools and give some texture. Here I'm just kind of poking some little holes down in it, and it makes it stick to the clay underneath it and gives it a cool look on the top too. For the other colors, I'm just going to randomly place them around, and here I'm going to put kind of some straight line texture into it. In some places I'll crisscross and go the other direction. And then there was a little more white space than I wanted, and so I had a little bit of this dark purple and made just some tiny pieces to put in some of those gaps. Same thing, stick it down, give it some texture, and then go ahead and come in with some mini cutters. I have square and a circle. Then you can also take the part that you pulled away and smush it back together. And this kind of creates a different pattern. The pieces look a little different, but you still give it that same texture and cut out some more of those mini shapes that you have. Then I'm going to bake these right on top of the same ceramic tile that I was working on. I'm going to stick that in my craft room oven at 230 degrees for 30 minutes. When they've cooled off a little bit, you can remove them from the tile using a tissue blade. Then I have put a little bit of thick super glue just on this little piece of plastic, and I'm going to dip the end of one of these posts into just a little bit of the super glue. This is just going to tack the post down. Then we're going to do another step because just gluing it like this is not going to be durable enough to really hold that post on the earrings. So add a post to the back of every mini earring, and then while that glue is setting, you can roll up little balls of clay, and they're going to be smaller than the size of a pea. Once you've got some of those rolled out, you're just going to smush it flat between your fingers to make a little disc. When it seems like the glue has dried, you're going to take just a little dab of that liquid clay adhesive and put it around the base of the post and the back side of the earring. And then right in the center, poke down one of those discs of clay. You're going to press it down, kind of smush it around the edges. You're trying to make sure that it seals in the post and makes contact with the clay adhesive that you added. I also like to take a flat tool and press it down right up against the post so that it has a more flat back. If too much extra clay is pressing out over the edge, then you can take one of your tools and scrape off the excess. And then repeat this with every earring. This is going to give you a super durable attachment of those posts because it's got that little bit of super glue and then it's also embedded into a layer of clay. Repeat that with every earring, and then you're going to toss them back into the oven again for another 30 minutes. When they come out of the oven and they're cooled, I'm going to use this nail drill tool, and you can see we've kind of got this edge, this little rough outline of clay on the back of the earrings, and so I'm just going to turn on this drill and use this buffer bit to smooth out that edge. It doesn't take very long, usually just one pass around with that spinning tool is going to be enough to smooth out the edge. Here in front of a black background, you can really see the difference that made. The sanding will probably leave some dust on your earrings, so you can just give them a really quick rinse in a small cup of water and then dry them off. Then I'll put the little mini earrings on these earring cards and secure them with small rubber backers. And that's it. So let me know what you think and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.